the people there. This is fucking...
TikTok? That's how I get down, baby. 10 years in effect.
Okay.
Another day, another dollar.
Okay.
I got it. Look, put your hands in.
This side, that hand, yeah, put it under. So
Yeah. Put that hand inside of it. Yeah, inside the fridge. Put it down. Gotta do it. I'm gonna go down first.
Are you expecting to find love? Love is mine. Darling, I'll be right.
Tuesday, June 24th, 2025. It's currently, I already said currently, 95 degrees outside. It's 10:30 a.m. and it's 95 degrees outside. I really don't know if cracking your windows or not cracking your windows is the meta. Like, does cracking your windows just let the hot air in, or does cracking your windows allow for airflow and then it cools it down? Somebody look that up. Chat, look that up. These are freight elevators, I guess.
You need to look at the other side. You're green. Darling, open your eyes. Let me show you the light. You may never find a love that's right. Darling, open your eyes. Let me show you the light. You may never find a love that's right. Darling, open your eyes. Let me show you the light. You may never find a love that's right. Darling, open your eyes. Let me show you the light. Girl, you think you're so wise. You may never find a love that's right.
Love, love, love. Why'd you take so long to come to me? Oh, baby. And love, love, your love. Tell me, were you hiding from me all the time? Each time I tried to find someone to take your place, it was all in vain. No, their lips were never quite the same. No, baby, when I was kissing someone new, deep inside I was missing you. Oh, baby, you made me fall in love with you. Now I don't know just what